welcome to everyone's favorite TV channel, Channel Yachtie. Let's look at this week's highlights. We've got shows more popular than New Year's in St. Bart's.
Exciting and new.
Monday night, we head back to Motor Yacht Blush for another enthralling episode of Big Sister, the stewardess reality show.
Oh, yeah, sure. Cindy, I gotta go help Ben with the provisions. Would you mind putting this in the fridge for me?
No problem.
Okay,
Bye. See you soon. Bye.
Tension mounts as the big charter grows near.
Oh, yes, Captain Nick?
May I have a word with you on the bridge, please?
Sure, I'll just be a second. Mindy, God, what?
Action.
You know, that Mindy, she is such a mole. Seriously, she's been here about 2 weeks and she's just been with the whole deck crew. You know, it took me maybe, let's say 6 weeks. Come on, she's such a slut. Oh my word, Mindy, I heard that.
We're having fun. Tuesday night sees the next riveting installment of Engineers Gone Wild!
Everybody in the yachting industry think engineer is boring. I tell you, engineer is not boring. We party all the time.
Which side?
We make a party time. Every day.
Every day.
I bring spanner.
Yo. Last night, it was excellent. It was totally out of control. We all nearly talked to a real woman. We don't get to see many women down here. Mainly engines and generators.
Current affair team tries to settle the age-old debate. Barnacles and brokers. Who contributes more to the yachting industry? As you can imagine, the arguments are fierce. In a world exclusive, Channel Yachtie gets secret cameras into the exclusive captain's cabin.
If she wasn't going to put out, why did she even apply for the job? There's plenty of other 19-year-old stewardesses out there looking for work.
Yes, Captain, you are damn right. You know, when we first started in yachting, we'd have to walk 15 miles through deep snow just to find day work that'd pay us a sixpence. It's nothing like today. These young bucks out there getting paid a fortune to do next to bloody nothing.
Yeah, it wasn't a drunken orgy where you didn't need qualifications, was it?
Nothing like that, mate. 15 miles in the snow just for day work.
For a sixpence. Unbelievable.
So join us all week at Channel Yachtie for the best viewing this side of the St. Martin Bridge.
Love, exciting and new.